finesse design and the pursuit of perfection that you have here at Lexus. This is going to come with a standard warranty that you would find on any of the Lexus vehicles here on the floor. It's almost unheard of for a supercar to come with such a strong warranty. That's how confident and how much they want this car to be on the street driven every day. And to make it more accommodatable for you to drive every day, they have taken this car and given you 4 driving modes, which are easily accessible. Now, for your everyday driving, if you're driving in traffic, especially Los Angeles traffic, you have a fully automatic mode. So even though this is an H-pattern transmission, if you actually looked at the transmission, it would be a 6-speed manual transmission. It's automated through a hydraulic and computer system that is going to switch it over and use that clutch system and turn it to a full automatic for your daily driving. And then of course you have normal mode, which is going to shift over and give you those smooth shifts that you can get right through the paddle shifters located on the steering column. Then you get into the high-end performance modes that this vehicle has. You have wet mode. Wet mode is very important. It's going to enhance the system's driving management systems and computers on board, and it's going to keep the vehicle on track or on the road in those nasty wet conditions. So it's going to be a seamless process. So even though you're giving it full throttle and giving the car everything that it can handle, it is going to keep that car with plenty of traction, and it's going to keep it on the track or on the road, even when you're being very aggressive, especially with 552 horsepower. But the most exciting thing about the car as far as driving modes is sport mode. Sport mode is going to change the entire vehicle. It's going to turn into beast mode. It's like Popeye after he ate a can of spinach. Things are going to get out of control. Now, what they've done is actually going to physically change what you're looking at when you're actually inside the cockpit. So that organic LED display, if you guys take a look at this video right here, is going to turn all white. And once it turns white, it's going to stagger your RPMs and put that 9,000 RPM mark at 12 o'clock. Why would you want to do that? For the best shift possible. So every time that needle gets to at the top right there, it's 9,000 RPM, so you have the most appropriate view line for your shifts. So it's physically changing the car, it's going to react better, and it's going to give you those shifts in 0.2 seconds. Boom. Now, when you have all this car, you want safety, and you want to be able to stop the car. Starting with stopping the car, they've done something really cool. They've taken, most racing cars that you've probably seen, or some of the high-end supercars that you've seen, have ceramic brakes. Ceramic is a very great material for stopping, and it rarely wears out, but they've taken this to the next step. The engineers have put the carbon fiber material that's used on 65% of this vehicle, put that in a kiln,